Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the issue of adultery. Recently, the Parliamentary Committee has suggested making adultery a criminal offense again in India, but in a gender neutral way. Earlier, the Supreme Court in 2018 had decriminalized adultery. Now, let us discuss the concept of adultery. It refers to the consensual sexual relationship between a married person and someone who is not their spouse. Now, let us discuss the current legal status of adultery in India. Earlier, it was a criminal offense under Section 497 of IPC until September 2018. The Supreme Court in Joseph Sain versus Union of India struck down this provision in Indian Penal Code. As per Supreme Court, adultery is matter of personal privacy and should not be a criminal matter. Now let us have a look towards the arguments in favor of criminalization of adultery. The first is protecting the sanctity of the marriage. The Parliamentary Committee, the Law Commission in its 42nd and 156th report and Malimat Committee in 2003 had supported this view. The second is guardian of the moral principle. Criminalize the guardian of moral principle of the society. In our society, the adultery is considered as morally unacceptable and unethical. So, if the parliament criminalize the offense of adultery, again it protect society historical roots while leading it towards a progressive social order. Now, let us discuss the arguments against the criminalization of adultery. The first is privacy issue. The Supreme Court ruling emphasized that criminalizing adultery is a threat to personal privacy. In today's scenario, individual freedom and privacy has become very important. The evolving jurisprudence give very importance to individual freedom and personal privacy. The second is treating women as a property. Adultery law treated women as their husband property. So it is against the notion of gender equality. The second is changing social norms. Now, in the changing social scenario, individual autonomy in the private sphere is considered very important. So, the criminal law they should reflect evolving social attitude towards marriage and personal choices. In this video, we have discussed the issue of adultery in a detailed manner.